Okay, this is about my Kx500 ignition swap. So to show you what I did, I'll try to explain things to you. It's a Kx250 ignition right there. It's off of a 2000 Kx250 carburetor with the throttle position sensor right there. The top of it is modified to fit under the tank, lengthened on the back and shortened on the front so that there's clearance right here for the throttle position sensor. And the powerjet is fully functional also, but you've got to get one of these things for it. That's just a regular RPM switch that they use in nitrous oxide and stuff on automobiles, and I just program what RPM I want the powerjet to shut off at. So got that hooked in there. The CDI unit is under the seat right in here. It's got the Kx250 coil, regulator, rectifier, and all that up in there. So, take it on a little ride. Show you what it does. Starts right up, first kick every time. Very smooth and responsive power and no lean circuit. you can see that it definitely hauls. The low end is extremely powerful, but yet smooth. Winds out real good, has real good power everywhere. I love it. This is the way to go for me anyway.